Hi, my name is Misha. I'm basically from Ludhiana. So, few months back, my father, Mr. Vinder Kumar Sharma, was detected with oral cancer. At that time, we got to know about the American Oncology Institute from some other doctor, and since then, we have been coming to the hospital for his treatment. So, I'll just share my experience with the doctors here and the overall experience with the staff. So first of all, talking about the senior oncologist, surgical oncologist who has done the surgery, Dr. Sumit Gupta. So I would say our overall experience with him is really good. He has been really very supportive and guiding throughout the treatment. He has been very compassionate on how he treats his patients, and he has guided us how the treatment would go on and what precautions are required here, and we were like really happy how he spoke and how he treated the patient with so much compassion and so much comfort. We felt so good with the treatment and how he has taken us and supported us throughout the course of treatment. Then we also got in touch with Dr. Sandhya, who has guided us through the radiation treatment, which is still going on, and she is guiding us with the various exercises which is to be done and other diet related precautions to be taken, and various other tests that are required during the treatment, and she really supports and guides us very well which is still going on. And another experience was with Dr. Davinder Pal, who is chemotherapy specialist. With him, he guides us what medicine is being given during the treatment, and what all tests are required again, and what side effects could be there, and how we can handle those, or what medicines or other diet related things we can take care of with the patient. So I am really glad that we got to know about this institute, and we don't have to leave our home city and move to Delhi or Mumbai for the treatment. So that ways we were really happy that we got the appropriate and the right treatment here in the city itself. Now I would like to share about the institute, American Oncology Institute. It is really a very I would say conventional building. If I compare it to other government hospitals or other hospitals in the cities, so during the COVID scenario, they have really maintained the cleanliness and hygiene. It has been sanitized every day properly, because we are coming every day, we see how the cleanliness is being maintained here. So that ways we are really happy and satisfied, and not at all worried about any sort of infection that the patient may catch because of weak immunity. And the seats, even the seats and the beds and all the rooms and equipments, they are sanitized properly every day. So we are like really not worried about all that stuff. The social distancing is really taken care of very nicely. The guards are there to maintain the proper line or queue decorum, and it's only one person allowed to accompany the patient, so it doesn't get crowded and the risk of infection increases. So overall I would say it is a very nice experience in terms of bringing your loved ones or the patients who need the treatment here. We are really happy with the staff guiding us through the course of the treatment, dealing with the receptionist and the other helping staff, the nurses, everyone. It has been a really good experience, and we were never like worried about any sort of discomfort or infection, especially, you know, with my father in that ways. So I would really suggest, you know, or recommend this place, and not to go outside, you know, this city for any cancer treatment, because I think this is one of the best facility available within the city. And you can bring your family members, or you can recommend it to others as well, because I really had a good experience in terms of the service or the hospitality being provided by the institute. So thank you so much.